If your Panasonic TV is not connecting to Wi-Fi, you're not alone. This is a very common issue faced by Panasonic smart TV users. In this video, we'll go through the real reasons this happens and the proven fixes you can try at home before calling support. Step 1. Check internet first. Before adjusting TV settings, confirm that your internet is working properly. Check if your phone or laptop can connect to the same Wi-Fi network. If other devices are also struggling, the issue is likely with your router or internet service provider rather than the TV. Step 2. Restart everything. A simple restart can fix many Wi-Fi problems. Turn off your Panasonic TV and unplug it from the power outlet. Then, unplug your router and modem for at least 30 seconds. Plug the router and modem back in first and wait until the internet is fully restored. Once the router is stable, turn the TV back on and try connecting again. Step 3. Use 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Many Panasonic TV models work best with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks. If your router uses both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, try connecting the TV to the 2.4 GHz option. Some Panasonic TVs either don't support 5 GHz or have unstable connections on it, especially older models. Step 4. Update TV software. Outdated firmware can cause Wi-Fi issues. Check for system updates by going to the TV's settings menu and selecting Software or System Update. If an update is available, install it and restart the TV. Firmware updates often fix bugs related to network connectivity and app access. Step 5. Fix date and time. An incorrect date and time setting can prevent the TV from authenticating with the router. Make sure the TV's date and time are set automatically using the internet. This small setting surprisingly fixes Wi-Fi problems on many Panasonic smart TVs. Step 6. Reset network settings. If none of the basic fixes work, resetting the network settings is the next step. This removes all saved Wi-Fi data and restores the network configuration to default. After resetting, reconnect the TV to Wi-Fi as if it were a new setup. Step 7. Try Ethernet cable. If Wi-Fi still fails, connect the TV directly to the router using an Ethernet cable. If the wired connection works instantly, the issue is almost certainly related to Wi-Fi signal strength, interference, or the TV's wireless module rather than your internet service. If your Panasonic TV still won't connect after all these steps, the internal Wi-Fi hardware may be faulty. This is more common in older TVs. At this point, contacting Panasonic support or using a wired Ethernet connection permanently may be the best solution.